Europe is taking a major step toward the future of naval defense, and a key part of that effort will be an advanced unmanned helicopter called the CAMCOPTER S-300. The aircraft has been selected for the SWORD project, a new initiative backed by the European Defense Fund that focuses on improving anti-submarine warfare capabilities. The SWORD project, led by TKMS Atlas Electronic, is designed to create a highly connected defense system that can detect, track, identify, and ultimately respond to underwater threats from a safe distance. The goal is to build a complete sensor-to-shooter network that allows naval forces to react more effectively to submarines and other submerged targets without putting crews at unnecessary risk. Over the next 3 years, leading defense and technology companies from across Europe will work together to develop and refine this concept. Their mission is to create a more advanced and integrated approach to anti-submarine warfare that can meet the challenges of future naval operations. One of the most important pieces of this project will be Schiebel's CAMCOPTER S-300. This heavy-lift unmanned aerial system is capable of vertical takeoff and landing, allowing it to operate in a wide range of environments without the need for traditional runways. Its combination of long endurance, impressive payload capacity, and compact operating requirements makes it well-suited for demanding maritime missions. The S-300 can carry advanced sensors and mission equipment over long distances, giving naval forces greater flexibility when monitoring large areas of ocean. By remotely deploying critical payloads, it can help extend the reach of naval operations while keeping valuable assets farther away from potential threats. As modern militaries continue to invest in unmanned technology, projects like SWORD highlight how drones are becoming increasingly important in naval warfare. The CAMCOPTER S-300 is designed to operate both at sea and on land, making it a versatile platform for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Its ability to carry larger payloads and stay airborne for extended periods gives commanders more options during complex operations. The SWORD program also reflects Europe's growing focus on collaborative defense innovation. By bringing together industry leaders from multiple countries, the project aims to strengthen technological cooperation and develop next-generation capabilities that could shape the future of anti-submarine warfare. With advanced unmanned systems, sophisticated sensors, and a networked approach to defense, the SWORD project could play a significant role in how future naval forces detect and counter underwater threats. And with the CAMCOPTER S-300 at the center of that effort, unmanned aircraft are set to become an even more important part of maritime security in the years ahead.